This 2025 Forest River Salem CL 263BHXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Medford, Oregon, 97504 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Medford. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features a ECLIPSE interior, sleeps 10, Slideout, and 61 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.